Folks, I gotta tell you, in this last 4 years, it's been unique and weird. You know, we are experiencing what was Friday the 13th 4 years ago. You know,
Mhm.
and I don't know how everybody else's network has been going, but I've watched very strong chords of my network die off, literally die off, and I've lost a lot of just different people in my life, and so it's been rough. I'll just be
Mhm.
honest with y'all. It's been rough, and at the same time frame, I love what I do, but
Mhm.
but it's how do we recultivate and be okay because losing mentors is tough, you know.
Mhm.
And, and that's the only inevitable thing that we know is going to happen as we grow. And so I agree with you. Thank you so much for speaking that into my life. I will look for more folks to be able to pour into and see what I can do to be able to make that happen. Thank you.
You're welcome.